everybody, thank you so much for joining me in the conservatory this afternoon. We're going to have a look at some emeralds today. Ooh. Now we've got, how many carats? Lots of carats of lovely emeralds here. These two here are both GIA F1 certified, which is lovely. So that means that they're minor oil, which is sort of to be expected with emeralds. So, you know, they're absolutely lovely, really. They're just huge. And you might have noticed the green nail polish, which is our very own emerald nail polish, which is very, very close to being done now, which is exciting. So do keep an eye on the page for that, because you can have, you know, an emerald on every finger, because I've only got emeralds on 3 today. Let's see if we can rectify that and find some more. Isn't that gorgeous? This one here is the 2.3 emerald cut halo, surrounded by emeralds, absolutely beautiful. This one here is a really good old French deco one. I adore this emerald ring. We've had it for a while. I just love it. It's one of my go-tos. I shove it on my index finger if I'm going out. And you can guarantee that wherever you go, someone's always going to want to try it on. And someone always has it off my finger and has a try with it. Last night we were out and it was really good fun, actually. Yeah, of course, someone had to try this emerald. I love it. This one is 27.76 carats, which is just huge. And it's fantastic, like it's so big. You just need a sort of gorgeous green dress and it would be amazing. And this one is a lovely GIA one. It's so clean, it's so beautiful. Yeah, I've actually just nipped around the back of the camera to have a look at how these emeralds are sort of coming up on camera, and wow, they look absolutely amazing, like amazing. They're amazing in real life, and it's so nice to see them actually like pop on camera, because I've been trying to take still photographs of them forever. And I don't know what it is, but maybe it's the light, you know, maybe it's, who knows, but they really are. This is how they are, and this video's actually captured them. It's really, really, really good. They're so great. So yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye. Do check these emeralds out. They're over on the website, which is kjj.rocks. If you like this video, then like and subscribe, and then as we're having a look at other stuff, you'll be able to see. And also, it's a really good way, actually, if stuff's been a bit lost on the website, because sometimes it is quite hard to get a still photograph. Tourmalines are particularly hard to get photographs of as well, so they sometimes it does really make sense to just keep an eye here and see what's coming up on videos, because it might be that something that you thought maybe wasn't your bag, actually when you see it in motion and you see how it really comes alive in real life, it might be that you think actually that might be the one, and you don't want to miss something because you kind of just missed it in the pictures. Because these I've been saying these are so good, but actually I think seeing, you know, like I say, seeing them, just amazing rings. Yeah. So I'm going to say goodbye. I still haven't worked out a better way of doing it. Yeah, bye. Till we see you again. Bye.